Restore or permanently delete documents with full audit control. Document recovery begins in the Manage module, the centralized location for restoring or permanently disposing of deleted records. This interface provides a vital safety net for accidental deletions and maintains strict control over organizational data retention. Grouped directories organize discarded content, allowing administrators to efficiently locate specific files based on their original storage location. Document properties display comprehensive metadata, identifying the author and the specific deletion timestamp for internal audit clarity. Restore reintegrates documents into the active repository by allowing users to designate a secure and appropriate departmental folder. Automated notifications confirm that records are moved back to active status, ensuring immediate availability for authorized business users. Purge permanently deletes the file or folder from the DMS. Secure workflows ensure data integrity and operational continuity throughout the document lifecycle, while effectively optimizing storage resources. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.